Namaste. Today my topic is healthcare fraud. What is healthcare fraud? Healthcare fraud is a type of a white collar crime which includes the dishonesty of many pharmaceutical companies in order to earn huge profit. This fraud includes like misbranding and misleading of drugs, spending huge amount of money on doctors in order to promote their drugs, and missing the safety data of the medicine. This is the healthcare fraud pending cases graph from the year 2007 to 2011. Now I will introduce one company which has done America's largest healthcare fraud. Its name is GlaxoSmithKline. Its headquarters is in UK, London, and it is the world's sixth largest pharmaceutical company. Its mission is to help people do more, feel better, and live longer. As company have involved the dishonesty of an healthcare fraud, its mission should be do less, feel worse, and die young. These are the products of the company, but are they safe? These are the major frauds done by GSK company. It includes misbranding and misleading of Paxil and Wellbutrin, spending millions of dollars in order to promote their off-label drugs and fail to report a safety data about Avendia to the FDA. FDA means Food and Drug Administration. GSK awfully promoted Paxil for treating depression in patients under age 18, even though the FDA has never approved. GSK sponsored dinner programs, lunch programs, and spa programs and similar activities in order to promote the use of Paxil in children and adolescents. GSK paid a speaker to talk to an audience of doctors and paid for meal or spa treatment for the doctors who attended. By this way, they promoted their drug, Paxil. Misbranding of an Wellbutrin. Wellbutrin was approved by an FDA in order to treat a major depressive disorder, but by GSK it was promoted as a drug for weight loss, the treatment of sexual dysfunctions, substance addiction, and attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. And they also spend huge amount of of money on doctors in order to promote their drugs. Missing safety data about an Avendia. Avendia is one of the diabetes drugs, but the GSK company have failed to give safety data about Avendia to FDA. Due to this, it increases the potential risk of an myocardial infarction and congestive heart failure. And myocardial infarction means a heart stroke. Civil settlement agreement. After the GSK company have claimed that they were the only responsible for doing these drugs, which includes the misbranding and misleading of medicine like Paxil and Wellbutrin, spending huge amount on doctors in order to promote their off-label drugs, and missing the safety data of medicine of diabetes drugs Avendia. These were the penalty charge on the company. Impact. It caused the 1 lakh heart attacks, which include strokes and heart failures, including many deaths. In October 2009, Paxil's first birth defect was noticed, where son's heart was defected, and 14 children participating in GSK experimental vaccine trial died. This is the healthcare fraud chart worldwide. how to get prevention from healthcare fraud. There is an app called Health Card Plus, which aims to provide a correct information on all kinds of medicine. It also gives a price comparison between brands and helps to save 30 to 40% of our money, and also gives the alternatives of the medicine.
In today's fast-running, busy world, balancing the human body with medicine is something that keeps us quintessentially confused. Imagine a world where you could have a wealth of information that is usually tucked away in the heads of healthcare professionals and medical journals, all at your fingertips. Presenting HealthCart Plus, India's first comprehensive drug search engine, giving you detailed information on medicines, from price comparisons to finding the right alternatives, which can even save you up to 70% on your monthly medical bills. From drug interactions to complex medical terms made easy, simply by asking the right questions and knowing better. All this and a lot more in an easy-to-use platform available free of cost. So log on to our website, www.healthcartplus.com, to get started. HealthCart Plus, your trusted pocket chemist.
Thank you.